Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to link your bank account to Binance just within some steps. So let's dive right in without any delay and get started. You can start by logging in into your Binance account on the website or the application, and from this particular interface, you need to look out for the Binance icon in the top left corner and select it. Once you select it, this opens up on your screen. Now, what you need to do is basically look out for the settings icon in the top right corner and select it. And from there as well, you may need to scroll down from the given options and reach over to the section called payment method. So, find the payment method option and tap on it. Once you tap on this option, what you need to do is basically second for the select the option called P2P payment methods. So, head over there and tap on it, and all you gotta do is select this option of adding a payment method. So tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you just need to select the payment method. You can scroll from the list of available banks available. And once you find it up, you can just go over and select it. After that, if you do not find it, you can even use the search bar at the top and select it. And once you do so, all you gotta do is link your bank account by using up the necessary information. So provide in your bank account number, after that your full name, the valid name, and your bank branch, and then the phone number. And once it is done, just go over and confirm it by tapping on confirm. And you may need to approve the connection through multi-factor authentication. And once it is completed, your bank account will be now linked to Binance. You can use that account for future deposits by going to the deposit page and selecting it as your payment method. And that's it. So therefore, that is it, everybody. If you'd like to go ahead and link your bank account, you may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.